exploring the latest tools for certified ethical hackers in 2024. In the fast-evolving world of cybersecurity, certified ethical hackers play a crucial role in identifying vulnerabilities and securing sensitive data. As we enter the year 2024, it is essential for ethical hackers to stay ahead of the curve by utilizing the latest tools and technologies available. Certified Ethical Hackers Tools 2024. Ethical Hacking Software 2024. Ethical hackers rely on specialized software to conduct penetration testing, identify weaknesses, and strengthen security measures. Tools like Metasploit, Wireshark, and Nmap will continue to be essential for ethical hackers to assess the security posture of their target systems. Cybersecurity tools for hackers. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, ethical hackers need to have access to state-of-the-art cybersecurity tools. In 2024, ethical hackers will leverage tools like endpoint detection and response (EDR) solutions, security information and event management (SIEM) platforms, and intrusion detection systems (IDS) to proactively defend against cyber attacks and respond to incidents effectively. Hacking tools for professionals. Ethical Hacking Resources 2024. To stay updated on the latest cybersecurity trends and techniques, ethical hackers will rely on a variety of resources in 2024. Online platforms like Hack the Box, AWASP, and InfoSec Institute will provide valuable training materials, challenges, and certifications for ethical hackers to enhance their skills and knowledge. Conclusion. In conclusion, the year 2024 will bring new challenges and opportunities for certified ethical hackers. By leveraging the latest tools and technologies, ethical hackers can enhance their skills, stay ahead of cyber threats, and make a significant impact in the world of cybersecurity. With a comprehensive toolkit and a dedication to continuous learning, ethical hackers will continue to play a vital role in safeguarding data and securing digital infrastructures against malicious actors.